Whether you've just woken up or you're gearing up for a productive day, let's talk about the unsung heroes of your body: wrists, ankles, and neck. These areas carry a surprising amount of tension, yet they're crucial for everything from typing to walking and simply holding your head high. Today's 5 minutes stretch routine is for anyone feeling stiff or tight in those often overlooked areas. We're going to release tension, improve circulation, and set the tone for a relaxed, energized day. No equipment needed, just a comfy spot to sit or kneel. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel lighter, more flexible, and ready to take on whatever's ahead. Most people might skip this, but you've shown up, and that's already a win. Let's hit the mat. Let's start with simple rolls to wake up your joints and get the energy flowing. Stand or sit in a comfortable position. Extend your arms and make slow circles with your wrists and ankles in one direction. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. Wrist and ankle rolls improve circulation, loosen stiff joints, and prepare your body for movement. It's like a gentle wake-up call for areas that might feel tight or sluggish. Beginners can do smaller circles, focusing on control, while advanced participants can increase their range of motion for a deeper release. Now that we've warmed up the joints, let's stretch out the wrists a little deeper. Time to give those hard-working wrists the stretch they deserve. On all fours, turn your palms so your fingers face your knees. Gently lean back to stretch the wrist flexors. Hold for 30 seconds, then flip your hands so that the tops of your hands rest on the mat with your fingers still pointing toward your knees. This stretch relieves tension in the wrists and forearms, especially for those of us who spend a lot of time typing or texting. Beginners can keep less weight on their wrists by leaning forward slightly. Advanced participants can deepen the stretch by leaning back more. With your wrists relaxed, let's move upward and give some love to your neck. Let's release the tension in your neck and shoulders. Stand or sit tall and gently drop your chin toward your chest. Slowly roll your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder, then around to the back, left and back to the front. Reverse the direction after 30 seconds. Neck rolls reduce tension, improve mobility, and ease stiffness caused by stress or poor posture. Beginners can make smaller circles, while advanced participants can focus on moving slowly and for a deeper stretch. Let's refine that release by targeting specific areas with tilts. Now we'll focus on opening up each side of the neck. Start by sitting tall or standing. Drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. To deepen the stretch, gently press your right hand on the side of your head. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch to the left side. Neck tilts target specific areas of tension, helping to improve flexibility and reduce discomfort in the neck and shoulders. Beginners can skip the hand assist and just let gravity do the work. Advanced participants can extend the opposite arm downward for an even deeper stretch. Beautiful work, fam. You've relaxed your wrists, ankles, and neck, areas that carry so much tension without even realizing it. Great job for showing up and making time for yourself today. You've already won the day just by pressing play. There's a special gift waiting for you in the description. It's designed to take your flexibility to the next level. Don't miss out. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.